All right, Facebook, here we are in Long Beach. Remember this house? We was here on Friday. We did an installation on Friday, installed new wood. Homeowner kind of wanted to keep the historical look that they had going. So, if you remember, we were in this house. This whole thing was actually gone. We actually just filled that in. We laced the wood in. So it looks pretty much like if it originally came with the house. This whole thing was actually gone right here. Just doing a lot of repairs. Filled in all that whole side right there. Getting everything ready for the homeowner. Everything's pretty much still empty here. This is all the new wood we installed. What we did Friday. Pretty much went from this line all the way back. Brought it all the way over here. And just about done with this back room over here. Take a look at the bedroom. So this whole area right there was actually missing. We took the old wood, repaired everything, laced everything in. Looks like it's pretty much the original. Put our border here, fill in all the gaps. Took everything all the way back to this back wall. Here we are again. We should be sitting pretty within the next hour or so. So once everything's done, pretty much they're gonna get all their stuff, their drywall installed and their cabinets in the kitchen. They're gonna get everything going and then call us back out so we could do the sand and stain in this place. And it's gonna look really, really good when it's all said and done. All right, everybody have a great day. Just want to give you a quick update.